When an old water softener start having problems, you might think that it's time to replace it. There is a more affordable option, available for most softener models in the market.
When I'm taking a bath, I notice that my water don't feel the same as when my water softener was new. My nails, hair and skin are starting to feel dry, flaky and frizzy again. Also, I started noticing stains and crusty buildup on my sinks, faucets and appliances. Something is wrong with my system. Our water softener is not working right. You need to do something about it.
We bought that system 10 years ago. We will need to get a new one. Prepare yourself to spend a lot of money again.
Most water softener supplier companies will tell you that you will need to replace the current unit. Now, there is a more affordable option. Most water treatment systems can be rebuilt, upgraded and/or rebedded. Let me explain the causes of systems failure and how can they be fixed. Over time, the system control valve seals and piston wears out, causing the system not to regenerate properly. Cleaning, brine and rinse cycles are affected by this issue. The riser tube or bottom basket failure. Extended exposure to chlorine and ammonia will make this basket brittle and the resin can go into the water lines. Finally, resin failure. Over time and the exposure to chlorine, cation resin will fail and the regenerating process won't take effect. The system won't have softening capability. A system rebuilt is the most common affordable solution. This will include new seals, piston, riser tube, cation resin and salt tank cleaning. A system rebuilt will make your system work like new, with just of 1/3 of the cost of buying a new system. So when your system fails, consider to rebuild instead of replace. For more information or schedule a Simply Pure Water Treatment Systems equipment presentation, call or text to 813-442-3846 or visit us online at www.spwts.com.
Remember to like and share. Your friends will like to know.